Hello, this is John No, software engineer and lead developer at Lockheed Martin, along with team lead Melvin Greer, senior fellow and chief architect at Lockheed Martin. We have created an app in response to the Health 2.0 ASPR Lifeline Facebook application challenge for the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, the Office of Secretary and Preparedness Response, and Health 2.0. The purpose of this app is to leverage social networking services to facilitate the communication between users and their friends, also known as Lifelines. A lifeline is a friend who will agree to check up on you during an emergency, provide you with survival resources like food, clothing, water, and shelter. They will even post status about your well-being on Facebook. During the wake and aftermath of the earthquakes in Haiti, Japan, and recently Turkey, a tremendous number of people use social networking services such as Facebook and Twitter to post information and communicate. We have built this app to enhance this capability and to decompress traditional channels of communication such as cell phone and landline networks, which are frequently overwhelmed during emergency. So the Facebook app we have created can be accessed by going to apps.facebook.com/beprepared. If you aren't already logged into Facebook, you'll be prompted to log on. If this is your first time using the app, you will be prompted for permissions where the app will ask if it can have access to your profile information. After clicking allow, the app will load within your Facebook canvas and you are on your way to becoming prepared. By clicking get started, the wizard will walk the user through each of the 4 steps to becoming prepared. The first step is to select up to 3 lifelines. A request dialog will appear and allow the user to send a lifeline request to any 3 friends. After the user clicks send, they will be taken to the second step where they can create an abbreviated version of the preparedness plan just like on ready.gov. The user can review the information and save before continuing to the third step. Please note, no information is stored by the app. When a user hits save, the information is stored on cookies on their local machine. When a user receives a lifeline request, they will first see a notification jewel alert in Facebook. In this example, assume Mike Grayson is already logged in and has accepted the app's permissions. When he clicks on the notification, he will see an alert in the app that I have requested for him to be my lifeline. After he clicks accept, I can go back to my app, refresh, and continue to step 3. I can now select him as a recipient and send him my personal preparedness plan. When he checks his email, he will be able to see the personal preparedness plan that I have sent him. The fourth and final step involves sharing this application with other Facebook friends. This promotes the app and encourages them to be prepared by creating a plan. After clicking send, the app will report that the user is 100% prepared and their preparedness status will show green across the board. We've also added some additional functionality to enhance the features of the app. When the user clicks on the Lifeline tab, they will be able to add and remove lifelines. This interface also reports lifeline statuses and relationships between the lifelines. For example, a user can only have up to 3 lifelines. However, the user can be lifelines for an unlimited number of friends. This allows an emergency response agency, such as FEMA, to be a lifeline for many people who depend on them during an event of a disaster. The final feature we've added is the ability to email your lifelines or post wall messages to notify them of your current location. Using a wireless-enabled device such as a laptop or smartphone and a HTML5 compatible browser, users will be able to attach their location when sending a message to their lifelines. Upon clicking the attached location box, the browser will prompt the user for permissions to detect their location. After the user accepts, the app will automatically pinpoint the user's location using geolocation and Google Maps. The user can now send their message to the selected recipients. In this case, we have sent this email to Mike Grayson. The message in his inbox will look like this. He will have the ability to click on a link which brings up the user's location in Google Maps. This concludes the demo for the Personal Emergency Preparedness Plan Facebook application. Thanks for watching.